This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contractor discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, November 5th, 2019. This one here I got a call from a lady. I've worked at this house before. She's got a gas boiler with I think 3 zones in like a little closet area. It's an older house. The house doesn't have a cellar. I think it's got a crawl space. I've never been under there. But the tenants calling the landlord saying there's only one zone that's working. So since she turned on the thermostat, filled the baseboard, they were cold. Maybe she's not giving it enough time. I don't know. But she says that one zone in the bathroom is working. And that's a little short zone. That's what my first impressions are. She says she's got gas in the house, so I'm going over there now and try to get you some shots. Water feed is stuck. It was 3 years ago. Purge zones 3 years ago. So maybe that's what it is. Water feed was stuck again. Probably gonna have to purge the zone, so purge it right here. Look at my holes. Alright, we'll shut both zones off. Purge them. Probably just ear bound. That's frost. Check, see if the pilot's on. We have had air in the system before. I don't think that's the problem. Wow, pilot's out. It's like sand. That thing looks melted in there. Not good. Wow, I don't know. a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Throw a couple in there. That's one old one. Make sure that gets in there right. Make sure you put it in the right way here. Alright. Wow. If I can even turn this gas valve. Oh, there it goes. Pilot's lit now. A good sized flame in that baby, huh? Alright, let's see if it stays on. Alright, it's staying on now.
I gotta make an appointment. I went downstairs doing laundry, and I noticed one of there's like two small metal pipes that connect to like the big sewer pipes, and one of them looked like it had a drip coming from it. And I'll send you a picture, and the other one looks like it's like on its way out too.
What, the cast iron pipe?
Yeah, they're little though. One of them feeds, I think it takes the return from the water from the kitchen.
I just want to purge these zones while I'm here, make sure there's no air in there. That bathroom's got electric heat in it, that's why that one was working. I don't think there's any air in it. Don't sound like it. Is second floor turned up also? The thermostat? As long as it's enough to run. You know, because I want both systems to run. The pilot was out. I changed the pilot, looked at. So can you turn that one up? So I can check, make sure both are good. We'll do the second floor too while I'm here. We had a problem before with this unit. It would getting airbound. Get the purge valves off. It's going right in the toilet. There go flow checks. I don't think there's any air in it. Doesn't sound like it. Some like no air. Open the purge valve. All the stuff that come out of the burns. Little thermocouple. 125,000. Wow. Little house like this is crazy. It's only 1 inch. I only can put 60,000 on a 1 inch. Way overkill. The second floor is not coming back warm yet. Give it a time. Place both circulators already. Place thermocouple, purge zones. First floor is getting hot, but not second, so I gotta purge it again. Oh, there's a lot of air right there just come through. A lot of air. Second floor goes up with 2 pipes. Right? 3 pipes. Just weird the way it's piped off. Very weird. It's coming back warm now. That's why I know the system's kind of weird. The first floor just goes down and then back here. The other one's got 3 loops to it. Very weird. Well, we got the air pocket out of it. So now it's nice and toast. And that's why you gotta stay hanging around, make sure the thing's working properly. Alright, both zones are coming back hot now. First and second, so good to go.